This particular program here is through the MNT 220 rigging and moving, and we implemented the forklift training into that particular program to give our students their certification in forklift operation, so that they could entail, when they go put in an application, add that to their resume. It's brand new. Mr. Grady, the department chair, we talked about it last fall, and we thought it would be a great way to enhance our students' ability to become more employable. We're going to be working with Mr. Jacob, the maintenance director, and certifying all the maintenance personnel in forklift operation, as well as the welding instructors too.